traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 31st, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So today is a very big day for the US dollar, or the US dollar pairs. We have FOMC interest rate coming out today. They're saying that they're not going to lower interest rate, but even if they don't, it should cause some pretty decent volatility. I am live streaming for the news event today, so definitely make sure you stop and check that out on YouTube. I personally still think this is a wave A, I still think this is a wave B, and I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C that is forming right now. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as 5 waves up. I think it's likely a wave 1 of 3. I think this is a WXY wave 2, and I think we're already in that wave 3. I think this is just subdivisions of a wave 3, and I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these much higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I've definitely been looking for shorts over the last couple of weeks ever since it broke structure to the downside. This move down right here definitely looks more like a trend than a crescent, which would kind of make you think that the next move would actually be a wave B, and this would be a wave A, and later on it would go down for a wave C. But with such a big news event coming out today, I'm not really convinced that today's news is going to make a wave B. I'm hoping today's news is going to cause the continuation of the uptrend. Either way, I think it's going to cause a move to the upside. It's just the question is whether it's going to be a corrective wave B or whether it's going to be the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I can kind of make it out to be a double zigzag, which is an ABC crescent. It kind of looks like 5 waves down, probably ending right here somewheres for like a wave A, and then a little ABC in the middle right here, and then another downtrend right here. So it definitely does kind of resemble a double zigzag pattern. We are sitting right at a 50% Fibonacci retracement level, definitely a very important level. I still think the most likely thing to happen today is it's going to break up and hopefully continue the uptrend. Hopefully it doesn't start a wave B, and actually it is the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So it's going to be really important to reevaluate these right before the news comes out, and I am going to be live streaming today for the news on YouTube, so definitely make sure you check that out. But I do think that it is going to break this structure to the upside today, probably at the news. And if that does break structure to the upside, then I think that is very likely to be the end of a crescent. What's going to happen between now and the news is definitely going to be setting itself up for the news. So that's why I think it's going to be very important to reevaluate these things right before the news comes out. Kind of seems like maybe it needs to go down and retest these lows right here, but I think overall, I think today it is going to probably end up breaking structure to the upside and either starting a big wave B, or hopefully, preferably, the continuation of the uptrend instead. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.